guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to give you I just want to show you the RRB PO mains mock test marks which I have given recently. So as you can see, my marks are 49.69, which is very bad. It is not even near to the cutoff range. So let's see the marks topic by topic. So first comes the reasoning. So I have attempted 23 questions, out of which 20 are correct and 3 are incorrect. And the 3 are, one was two were syllogism and one was, I guess, data sufficiency. So my marks are 24.0625. And yeah, so but as you can see, the time which I have given is around 1 hour only for reasoning to score 24.06. So I think I need to learn how to manage time for each of these topics. Nevertheless, I could say I have got good marks, but giving 1 hour for only one topic, I think it is very bad. So I'll just analyze the time management, and then in the next coming mock I'll say that I will perform good. And the accuracy is 87. Then comes the computer knowledge. So basically I have studied anything regarding computer knowledge before giving the mock. Also seen the top syllabus for the computer awareness. It is quite I could say easy to complete, and these were the topics which we have covered in our engineering as well. But since it has been around 2 to 3 years since we are done with our engineering or with this topic, so we are unable to recollect those things. But I think once we go through all of these topics, we will be able to score well. So as you can see, I have attempted 29 questions, out of which 18 are correct and 11 are incorrect. Actually the marks are 20 marks, so I got 7.625 out of 20. So I have given only 9 minutes or 8 minutes 32 seconds for computer knowledge. So next comes general awareness. One thing, guys, I started preparing the general awareness from April month. We need to study the last 6 months if we have time, or last 4 months is also sufficient if we do not have time. So one mistake which I made is that I have started preparing from the in a forward manner, not in the reverse manner. But I have checked few of the YouTube channels. Then I came to know that it is not good if we do it in a forward manner. We need to go in a reverse manner. I mean to say, it is better if we start covering the current affairs and everything from September to April instead of April to September. So I think that is one fault. Maybe that's why most of the questions were asked from the last month or last previous month, so I was unable to answer them. I'm also trying to study in the reverse order. So first I will be completing the August month, as today is 30, so simultaneously I will be completing August and September month, and then I'll go to July, June, and so in that order. So only 4 are correct, so 0.25 marks, so it's not even a cutoff range. So I have given only 10 minutes time for that. Then comes the language. I have chosen English language. So I have attempted 29, out of which 16 are correct and 13 are incorrect. I'm pretty confident that I will be getting good marks, but due to RC, mostly 7 marks were gone, 7 questions were wrong. So then I came to know that I need to work on RC a little bit more. So my marks are 12.75 and have given half an hour. So as you can see, 60 minutes for reasoning and 30 minutes for English. So 1.5 hours is done. Just half an hour I have given only for the other 3 topics. So now coming to the last part, quant. As you can see, I have given only 8 minutes. I have solved 4 questions, but 4 of them were correct, 3 were from number series, wrong number series, and 1 was from the arithmetic. So I have got 5 marks out of 40. So I have, it's similar, or it's more than the cutoff, because the cutoff for quant, it doesn't go high, it is more or less, 1 plus or minus 1 around the range of 5. Reasoning and language, it will be high, like it will be around 10 to 13. The cutoff for reasoning and languages, it will be around 10 to 13. So we need to get good marks in. So yes guys, this is the analysis for the RRB PO mains mock test. So the percentile is 36 and the accuracy is around approximately 60%. So please let me know like how the preparation is going on for you, and what are the marks you have scored so far in your mock test series. So yes guys, all the best, study hard, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.